crude oil, $82.56. Dow
messed up
selling
on that
off
one,
right
didn't ya?
now. Dow down about 100 points or so.
What's the matter, big
in
fella?
this
There you
first
go. Straighten
opening
up.
minute. And Q, little hesitant right now. I did see a little push lower. The buyer stepping back in. Let's take a look at the calendar. What do we have on the calendar for the day? We have a number at the top of the hour. Consumer confidence will be coming at the top of the hour, included with U.S. new home sales. Richmond Fed, new home sales changes month over month. 2-year auction, noon central. And President has a pre-taped interview, 1 p.m. Barkin will be speaking later on this afternoon. 50-50 on the tilt.
What's the pre-taped interview? Do you have any detail on that at all?
Pre-taped interview. I do not. However, if it's anything like the previous days, weeks, months, I think it will spray to all fields. If not, as well as probably get leaked before that does hit. You know, we will keep you in line with all headlines that do continue to hit the wire. Real time. All right, we have the Dow continuing to sell up. Yes, hanging right around. We'll run the range we've seen since about 2.5 hours. 26.93. What's the NQ doing? NQ bounced off those 280s, 29,280, back above 300. Mandy,
Okay.
Short.
Yeah, just looking at this 4 hour as well, we have a nice bounce off of 280s. That's where I said earlier, I'd love to see some sort of closure below probably 265s. I have a level of support at 263, just multiple touch points. And I would probably want that minimally on a 5-minute, 15-minute.
Gotta wait for that 5 minutes to close, buddy boy.
So,
close.
we're keeping our eye out, pushing up here. We have an upside pivot point on
Inside
the
bar
4
day
hour at 425.
425
There's a little
upside.
room.
Okay, so about 280 points or so higher from where we're at right now. Buyers are holding it bid right now in the NQ. 1,355. 360s now print. Gold finding some buyers.
80.5 minute opening range so far. 360 is down to 279 quarter. 2 minutes left on that opening range.
All right. So, all right, Gabe, I'll talk about that. Waiting for the first 5.
Yeah, we're
range
using
up.
that lovely Top Step X opening range indicator. I went into the settings and changed it from the 15-minute default to 5-minute. So it's got the blue line cyan for the opening range high, got our little red line, dotted line for the opening range low, and then I'll be taking the first print outside that after this first 5-minute bar closes. I'm going to be using MNQ though because of how wide this range is.
Okay, we got True Social. True Social, presidents regarding North Korea. North Korea has been unthreatening and respectful. First post. We'll see if there's any more to come.
Well, I had an order in at 310, but it doesn't look like it's going to come down and get me.
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah, for longs.
It probably won't. It probably won't
So
get
we
you.
might want to go test some of these levels up top
It never
before.
does that. All right, we got our high-low
Come back
close
down.
in there now.
And Q, now looking like about 100-point range here
1 minute.
in the first 5 minutes.
First 5
right there,
minutes.
like Gabe saying, low end of 29,280, upper end of 29,380. Gabe, what's that indicator again? They're asking in the chat.
Top Step X opening range. You can either just type in Top Step X to see all the lovely new Top Step X indicators.
Yeah.
There's a nice long list of them. They've been pumping them out this summer. Otherwise, you can just type in opening or open, and you'll see Top Step X opening range. Just make sure you go into the settings and change what you want for the opening range, the OR length in minutes, because the default is 15. And then it does include extensions that you can use already set up. You can kind of mess around with a little bit of the style as well if you want to change any of the style. But
Okay, well, there's your first 5 minutes. First 5 minutes.
all right, so,
Pump and
yep,
go.
first 5 minutes.
So
That's what I'm waiting on.
576.
First 5. Let the first 5.
376.
but
I've got a
you got a consolidation breakout
stop
right here,
buy
possibly.
above the opening range high at 377.
But it's right under this
Just a
trend
couple
line. I
ticks
don't know
outside.
about that. It's
77.
bumping up against a lot of
To
resistance
catch
on the
upside
daily chart.
momentum, if it does continue.
Exactly.
All right. Okay, ES, first 5 minutes, much tighter range.
Yeah, I'm
looking
not
at
liking
lower end
it.
of 76.92. Upper end right around 70.
But if I was going to take it, it'd be right
All
like
right.
this.
Gold?
in gold. In gold,
But
pretty
that's-
much right
see,
here
that's right in that
46,
resistance
60
area.
is the entry price, too short. Doing stops above the level that I have at 678.90, and then we'll realistically just trail the stop if we can get a good push off this. Starting these lows probably at 652, 652-ish.
652. Okay, very good. I'll keep an eye on that gold short. Dow continuing to sell off. NQ did see more push to the downside here in the Dow. Dow down about 200 points or so far. ES down 10. There goes gold. Gold is selling off now as well. About $5 from the low, $4 from the lows.
Yep, that's a pretty decent little push down. Since we are getting close to the New York Open, I don't want to see it bounce off the New York Open, so I'm going to go break even on it. Because if it bounces off the New York Open, I think the short bias is invalidated, but worth holding to see how it reacts.
Nice short on gold, man. Nice short
gotta
on
wait,
gold.
homie. Oh, gotta wait. That's the name of the game. Wait. If you can't wait, you can't trade. If you don't know how to wait,
NQ,
then
by the
you
way,
don't
just
know
came
how
down
to
and
trade.
tagged the midpoint, 50% of the opening range down at 328s. You've seen a nice little bid step up.
See that, Gabe. So it looked like the sellers.
It's all about weight.
Look at the 5 minute. Are you going off the 5 minute chart?
I am, yeah. I have the 5-minute chart of the E-mini on the left half of my screen, and then micros on the right, which is where I'll be executing.
When you see that, right, it looked like perhaps there was some downside pressure there, and then you see that bounce off the, we get down to 326, like you said, about halfway back. Does it tell you indecisiveness, or says that the buyers are holding it as we didn't get the follow through that we
I mean,
to the
as long as we
downside?
defend, yeah, as long, I totally get it. As long as we defend that midway point, I think that would give me a little bit more context of buyers supporting.
Right.
It's kind of like if you look at Jay's. So Jay's concept that he kind of looks at, in addition to the new footprint charts that are in beta, would be high volume candles. So of course, if you put a, let's say a midpoint of high and the low of that high volume candle, he's looking for, in the direction of that volume, he's looking for that midpoint to hold. And that's typically kind of where anything below that, if sellers take back control and we get back below those 328s, it might be looking a little bit bearish. Maybe we go take out the opening range low first, and then we look for a rotation back to the opening range high. But ultimately, that midpoint, I think, it's a reasonable area of balance, right? It's the median or the mean of those two extremes, high and low.
Yep.
Stuff, Gabe. We're pretty much right there. Eric, did you gold snap
I'm
right
out
back?
Out of gold. Yep, it bounced. I mean, that's why I went break even, because it's New York Open. I didn't want to see it bounce off of, and that's exactly what it did. So, no harm, no foul. Stop at break even, and potentially could be flipping my bias on gold to more of a long side.
Interesting what happened there in gold. This 5 minute looking at a $15 range on this candle. Gabe talking about the indicators. You're maybe talking about levels. It is the summer of indicators. If you see the link pinned in the chat, those are your top step daily levels. That link, those are updated, refreshed before every New York Open. However, I can do you one better because I know you're on Top Step X. You click on that indicators tab. So you type in Top Step daily levels. You have a slap overlay right there on your charts. Those are updated, refreshed before every New York Open.
Great. This is so different than yesterday. what did we saw? Like 150 points in the first 2 minutes, and then it was insane. Now we're just chilling. This morning.
Yeah, you seem
Seems a little more timid today. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're not gonna see me complaining about it though.
What
No,
was yesterday?
amen.
Oh man,
Got just under 5 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close. I'm just intrigued to see where we're going to be. We're right now in no man's land between my moving average and my EMA on the 15. Sellers technically have control, but this is in the 15-minute time frame. And I'm looking to see if we get a close probably below these 320s before I start eyeing shorts. I did talk about 263s. That might just be the confirmation I need for a continued downside, but we are starting to bid up here. I just don't want to end up in chop. I ended up in some chop yesterday after going short, and that's my goal today. No chop zone. No trading in the chop zone. How about that?
No chop zone. No chop
I know. I just thought of the same thing.
No chop zone.
Better.
What's going on 30-year? 30-year, we've seen those yields come down a little bit. Produced 5.2%, so this is real positive for the equities. Got to take a peek at MBT. Micro Bitcoin has been on fire lately. Micro Bitcoin trading 78,970 per night. We hit 81,000 even, but we're about $2,000 lower from there for right now.
Work again. Pay attention. I don't see no trade yet.
Eric.
It might break out. Who knows?
Chat.
Garfield says why? Yeah. Oh, hey, you go ahead, Dre. You got the same idea.
Why not take profits? Why not take profits on that gold trade? Why not take profits?
Yeah. So Garfield, it's because you can speculate that it's going to reject, right? You don't know it's going to reject. You can speculate it, and then you can position yourself accordingly. I think the downside target was worth holding on to the trade at break even versus getting out at a 1-to-1. I don't usually like to get out of 1-to-1s, but usually 1-to-1 is where I do like to bring myself to break even, either like a 1-to-1 or if we're coming up into key level that potentially could reject.
Mode.
That doesn't have to. So just playing the odds here.
Also, to that point, the way that it rejected turned right around off that short with volume and the velocity to the downside. I think the sellers really wanted to get going there. We're seeing some more selling now in gold.
Yeah, because now we're
NASDAQ.
pretty much back down to that
Also.
New York Open.
This thing's going sideways.
We barely just missed that opening range high in NASDAQ. You saw sellers come in literally like 2 points beneath that 376 quarter high. We're heading right back down here.
Up in the chat, spy
doing
chat.
anything.
Who
I
on the
do
stream
need to be
matches
doing
your
some
trading
studying.
style today? Eric, Mandy, Gabe, or a confused golden retriever? Those votes in. Get those votes in first. Confused golden retriever got ES looking perhaps too.
Girl.
Selling off here. ES just down ticked some lows.
You saw that in
My-
chat, Dre. Are you the golden retriever?
I very well may be. Times I do feel like I can be. All right, you confused golden retrievers, thousands watching out there. Click like, click subscribe, click notify, click on the polls. Click. Also in the chat, let us know where you are watching from all across the globe. Welcome aboard. This is Top Step TV. This is Fast Markets. As you see in the upper left-hand corner. Fast Markets, let me tell you this. Hit us up at Top Step TV on the X using the hashtag Fast Markets, using the hashtag POW. Let us know where you're watching from. Let us see some trader station setups, cool wins, 3K challenge wins. Anything you'd like for us to share
I was
with the
on
traders out there in Power Hour. Hashtag Fast Markets, hashtag Power Hour.
January 23rd.
Yeah, Saudi Arabia, Agra, cool. India, or fabulous Las Vegas, Malaysia, awesome, cool. South Africa, Bafana.
Connection lost.
Oh,
Could break out right here, but I don't trust it necessarily.
15 minutes incoming.
So it's cross here. Signal to get long now, Dre.
Long, you
I'm
said.
gonna try it. Yeah. Try to get some. We're gonna go 2. Start this off. This is
Okay.
technically the
What you got?
top of the top. But I'm hoping for a breakout here. If we don't get it, I want to be wrong quick.
Yeah, I like it, Mandy. So we just got tagged on that opening range high for the 5 minute, and technically also the 2 minute down.
Fire Jim, what's happening? Fire Jim, what's happening? Cedar Rapids.
I seasons a trigger for the buy button, Mandy, but I chickened out.
Are we long?
No,
378 half.
long with Mandy.
78.
There we go. Back to entry.
370. All right, Mandy, long as well.
And then now we're gonna slam down. This could be potentially get tagged into these EMAs. Here sitting at 336s. I don't want to get too much into that. Looks like sellers are definitely not going to make this
I'm just
easy
gonna wait because I'm
for
in no
buyers
hurry,
to break
homie.
this out.
Okay.
I mean, honestly, too, we are at the top of the overnight session, so that would be at those 420s.
It's not broke over enough for
Not
me.
much more to go till we get.
It's
towards
looking like it
another
wants to.
extreme.
It looks like
entry.
once it gets over the trend line, it gets past these sellers. I might be interested in it.
Nice.
And it looks like it's pushing. This is a
Long
very tempting
is
situation.
Long. Eric Flat.
Flat. I wasn't liking how it was rejecting off the 373s, but we're trying to push through them now, so maybe a long pullback. We can
Something
get
like
that.
that. Let's see what we got here.
I've seen the Dow continuing to
Looks tempting to go
make
long.
new low.
Let me see a red bar, and then if it gets a red bar ignored, I will probably
Thank
try
you.
that.
Higher.
Doji ignored.
Highs in the NQ.
If it gets a red bar, I'll try.
Manny, where you long from? Price again? Sorry.
I just don't know where my stop's going to be.
70s. All right.
53
What's
point
your
stop.
upside
If
target?
it goes
Well,
over the
let's
top of
get
the red
first.
bar,
What is your
I'll
upside
give it a shot.
target on this long?
So first extension, first 5 minute open range extensions up at the pre-market high around like 420.
5 minute candle. Yeah, if these sellers can't sell it,
And then
it's in this
second
channel
extension
though.
Is 473 and a quarter. So I'll look to start managing as we get up to that 426 high, and for a little bit more beyond that, if we can get it.
Yeah, it's slow. It's choppy.
This is our
Jim
first
didn't.
candle.
Mm.
Sorry, Dre.
I gotta try a red bar ignored though.
Past the first deviation of that New York.
That's what my back testing has been doing. I'm gonna lower my
Get the push.
exposure
Push
to
number
just
at the top of the hour. 12 minutes
Two?
till the top of the hour. Gold did downtick some new session
that's
lows,
two.
46.58, and then bounces right off.
2 micros only.
Back up $6 off of the lows there. 50-50 on the tilt. Let's take a look at the
Order
ES
submitted.
ladder. Use that
All right,
level 2
let's see
data on
what
top
happens.
step.
Order
X, not
filled.
C.
All right, we got in at
Jumping
2
off.
micros.
There's a big size
I'm
order
gonna
just
put my
yet.
stop down
There's
there.
trades.
Targets up here.
Around 700. There
Target
goes
1,
the
target
pop there.
2.
400.
Don't work,
My
it
stop
don't
to
work.
break even risk-free trade here. Looking for 420s. We have bought pivot point 425. Just want to be right below that. And since that is a zone.
What is the deal?
And Q continuing to push here, 29,411. New session highs, overnight highs. People are saying 420s.
Oh.
About 8 points to go to get there. Let's go on ES. Right.
There, that's
Around
why.
7,700.
Okay. Yeah, it's hitting that channel trend line at the top. This is the perfect place for it to fail.
Eric
If it's
Vision
gonna
will
fail,
be back. The 3K challenge. Eric versus the world. We will have Eric Cam, Eric Vision back a little bit. But Eric is training that 3K challenge versus everybody.
This is news to me. Hold on.
Ah, well, that's what it is.
Chance.
That's top stuff. Oh yeah, back on it, man. Back on it.
and it's failing. Couldn't poke through it on that try.
Was 71% long tilt in the end.
And here it comes. So the way it's
65%
chopping,
long
it should
tilt.
come back down very close to my stop
Bounce
loss.
here. Yeah.
If it catches right here at the fib
a
level,
first 5-minute
on the
closure
block
outside
level, on the fib
5
level, on the
range,
moving
by the way.
averages,
First
then we're
5-minute bar
probably going
outside.
to be okay. But if it takes out that whole green candle, we're
On this
probably
retest
going to be
here.
cooked. If it takes out that
Add
whole
one
green
more.
candle, I'm probably cooked.
Long 3 from 80 even.
But yeah, I'd give it a try. There was the pros and cons. It was not an A+ setup. I already knew that going in. I reduced my risk to begin with.
0.
So, it's a relatively thought out trade, but understanding that it was not the best setup.
All right, we're out. We made a little money, $50.
So
not
that
much,
green candle
but,
has
I
been
don't like that.
violated,
I think the
and it's
top
probably going to hit
could
the
be
stop
attempted
loss.
overnight.
I'd be surprised if it does not hit the stop
So-
loss. I would be surprised. I wouldn't call this a good trade if I win. If I win, I would say
5 minutes before
it
your
wasn't the smartest trade. So I'm not going to be patting myself on the back.
Now, what's the Dow
If it
doing?
does
Dow
win,
did see that selling.
It's
Here in the first almost 20 minutes, more selling in the Dow. Dow continuing to push lower, 53,488.
yeah, that channel right there is
I don't know, about 250 points so far in fast markets. Also, Top Step Labs, I think they were up to something again.
Yeah.
we'll
Got
see.
It's
a waiting game.
Just a bit in fast market, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you click like. Get those likes. Get those likes up. What are the poll results?
It is a
on
waiting
what-
game.
Who on the stream matches your trading style today? Resounding win. 47% of the votes. A confused golden retriever.
That's you, Dre. They love you,
And
man.
Alf.
They love you.
Yes.
They love you.
They love
Is
you.
it a backhanded compliment?
Keep going, buddy. I like the flow now. I like the fib
Always.
correction. Looks good. It bounces off the
It's great.
momentum lines over
Wanna
here
go
on
for
the
a car
5-minute chart. Sellers couldn't take it down. That's good.
Dog goes absolutely.
But we're not through that top part. Yeah, that channel part. Should have waited for the consolidation to happen up here after we break
to
out.
see a push lower. New lows down.
And I
Down
might
about
just-
300 points so far in fast markets. Print of 53,000.
Probably be smart to just get out of some here. I'm gonna get out one earlier.
End of the range so far.
Okay, if it breaks below this
This
spike
long
down here, I'm
gold
gonna get
down
out of
here.
half of that. I only have 2 micros.
Yeah. What are you seeing?
It didn't do what I wanted it to do yet.
63.30, right?
I should have recognized this activity and going, this is not what I want to start in. So that was one problem. Another problem
The only
was
thing that is stopping me, right?
top part of this channel on the 5-minute chart. I saw that before I entered. So I'm out of one earlier than normal.
Yeah, starts down here around 76.90.
It's hitting the trend line, but I'm not confident in this trade. It's not my best setup. Wasn't the best trade setup.
A little heavy.
It's right in them right there.
This is on a
Buyers
simulator. I'm
do
still back
jump
testing this
in.
stuff right here. I'm waiting for a payout from Apex. I need to get. I'm
Ape's still long?
halfway there on one of my
Yeah, I'm
PA
still long.
accounts. Hopefully, I'll get it
392
this year.
I'm in this 3K challenge, right? And $1,000 of static drawdown. I don't have any cushion right now yet. So I don't think I'm willing to take on this whole opening range. You got it, Eric.
Long gold. Pushed didn't reject off the
Get me out
New York
already.
Open. And one decent buyer candle down here, so it's worth a shot.
What price did you get, Eric?
Long 2 from 466.50 or 46.66.50.
46.
All right.
He's getting long right here where I'm getting stopped out.
5 minutes, don't we?
Yes, we do. Consumer confidence as well as new home sales. And Richmond Fed. Close out Richmond. Who's watching
Stop,
for
Phil.
Richmond?
Okay, I'm out, and I'm not getting back in this thing anytime soon. So, this is ugly,
This
sideways,
15-minute
choppy.
bar is not
This
looking very
one
friendly.
One loss is telling me
longs right
this
now.
is not my environment to trade in. I shouldn't have taken that trade.
S right now.
It had one good quality in it,
Session lows,
and that's a red bar
76.
ignored, but several other negative cons, and it wasn't enough for me to really validate the trade. It was a bad trade.
Russell looks like
The only way to go
some
short-
buyers are trying to step in.
It's going to have to break this trend line
ES just made new session lows.
here,
There's a follow through 76.
this channel on the bottom, and keep going. Give me a green bar ignored.
91 half.
So it's got to break it.
Just
Buyers have to attempt to go back
and
up.
Q, seeing some selling. 2003.
All right, I'm out.
If it breaks it,
Bailing. I'm
buyers
cutting.
try,
I'm not
and then
taking
it
the extra
ignores.
30
That's my
points of
entry.
risk all the way
After
down
the
to
buyers
range
try,
low. This
and
looks
the
like it wants to
sellers
take
come
out
back.
those 280s again. Look to re-enter, but
So right now
I
it
gotta
hasn't
preserve
even
this
broke the
$1,000
trend line.
drawdown. What I
Closer
can of
we-
it. Oh, no, down 440.
Two sideways,
Three
two
micros,
choppy.
man. It's crazy what that.
Right? It was fast.
See if we can get a little bit of a bid back at those 280s. See if we just need to come back down and take out that open range low.
280s. Okay.
See what happens.
See if
down
it were to
there.
give me a
Might
green
be a
bar
bit of
ignored here,
rotation.
Get a long down
and
there.
then a continuation down.
Yeah,
That'd be
little
the
better
same
location.
idea up here.
Like that. 500 lot on the bids.
Wrong spot.
76.90.
This is also the wrong spot.
90, 500 on the bid. The ES.
I can't do it in this area
X, about a
here.
point and a half
It's
lower
got to
from where
break
we're at right
down
now.
below that,
500 on the bid.
and it may work. The one at the top could have worked. You never know. But if they're not high quality trades, don't be shocked when it doesn't work.
3 minutes left on
Gold
this 2 minute candle.
I mean, I can
We're
see why
approaching
people are
300.
wanting to short that, and it might do a one-to-one return down to that line. So it wouldn't be impossible to take a
It said
short
263.
on that
Follow that.
small time frame. It's hitting that
500 was
pivot level
filled
right
up,
there,
76.90.
and it's
Filled
bouncing
500
off that
on
pivot.
the
If it breaks that
bid.
pivot level, it might go down to the next pivot level. And if
Also
stop
update
is
the ES
short enough,
Yeah,
and you're only
some
looking
gold
for a
price and
one-to-one with a very
clear.
small risk, then it's
Trying-
possible to
trying
take that
best.
trade to the downside. 30 point risk, and you're only looking for a one-to-one. Keep your size small. You know it's at the bottom of this 5-minute channel over here,
Plus 900.
so you're not looking for a gigantic move with a large size.
Plus 400,
You're
plus 400,
adjusting.
yes, and Q number.
You're adjusting
about 2
everything
minutes, 2
according
minutes
to the
till
risk
number.
of the trade. The trade is not
US
a plus
consumer
setup. It's
confidence
a
expected
B plus setup,
90.2.
and it's a one-to-one setup.
Previous 90.8.
I'm gonna observe it.
New home sales.
I'm gonna
changed
observe it. Look, I would have been triggered in right there.
1.4%.
I would only be looking for a one-to-one on that with a small risk,
And NQ tried
which is
holding
here.
that opening print. It
Those two
gave
ladies.
So let's see what happens if my thinking is right.
Here come those 280s.
What's
It's
the
still
range
gonna
been
have
in
to
Q so
push
far
it.
today? Looking at about 100.
It could definitely push
40?
past this pivot and then pop back up. A lot of times that's
40
what we
points
can
high.
expect it to do. Is it's gonna
About
break the pivot
135.
and then come right back up. So if it breaks the pivot,
180.
14s to 280s.
it could hit my target, come right back up. Also, I could be trailing my stop loss, which I like to do
Going flat.
Yep.
on a
I'm
trade
still
that's
on hold.
more highly suspicious.
I am.
Just start lowering my trade,
Flat. Flat.
my stop loss. Lower it a little bit
60
more, lower it a little bit
seconds.
more, and that's how I play these higher
I don't
higher
have-
risk
I don't have the
trades. It's a
contract
higher risk
available,
trade.
But I was for sure long RTY right now.
What's going on in the RTY?
RTY, they're just finding some buyers down at level at 3,740. Finding some buyers. Like I said, still trading the 3K account, so I don't have the contracts available to have multiple positions open at once. But this would be kind of my idea. We're, holding this level down here pretty well, so it's kind of just worth the stab.
Gold. And up to 46.70. $12 now 46.71s. 72s trade. Number in 5 seconds. 5 seconds till the number. What is it going to bring? Actual Ooh, miss, lower than super confidence, 89.4 versus expected 90.2. Less confident. And home sales, what are we looking at? In line. All right.
Okay, so there is a case starting to build for potential longs on NQ if we continue to hold this New York Open at 295.25. I mean, we had two candles now that touched it, couldn't close below it. This one's trying. If this one closes below it, it invalidates the idea. But I think if we have, you know, consecutive candles that can't close below it, I'd be interested to see if I could take like a micro or two long.
Longs, right.
Lower that stop a little bit on higher risk trade.
All right, here's those.
So there you go. Almost hit target. I'm gonna lower this. Obviously I'm mentally trading this, but my stop would be lowering right there to the next candle. So I'm already half. Cut my risk in half. Let it hit the target. I would count that as a winning trade, but it's still not a high quality trade.
And then Q did make it 271 low.
Yeah, and I missed
Still not.
NQ for sure. We have overnight VWAP sitting at 257.
Yeah.
There's a few different areas where we might have some support.
See how it swept the bottom of that pivot just like I was thinking.
We just like roll,
And now it might be heading back up in this area up here. That's just what it does.
How easily we're gonna get there.
That's what it does, buddy. It's what it does.
Question.
There's got to be a trading
Close,
strategy
now we're
around
back
that.
above
I'm going to
that
work on
last
that
previous
next, but I got to finish my back testing for this particular strategy here.
So shorts aren't.
I got one more month to back test. Should be
Yeah,
done
for
today, and
Shorts.
it's profitable. So
I know.
that's all I know.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, I got
what's gonna get the
God.
follow through? We got gold. Gold looking pretty good over there, Eric.
Thank God.
About $8 or so right now. This gold trades 46.75. So
Right, Dre, I got long one and then Q from 289.75 near these lows. I'm just gonna see if we can reject these opening range lows. I got to stop down at like 256.
So they're getting stopped out too.
All right.
Hit the target. Let me see if you
If
hit
I can
that
start
target.
chipping
No,
away at
the
this
idea and
440
thinking. I want
drawdown here.
make sure my mind is working right here.
All right, just gonna sell the ES. Brew just popped.
No moving. I can move my stop down a little bit more. Now it goes down to this level. So my original stop loss has been reduced to about
Collins, where's Collins? Collins
1/3
coming
of
in
the
now,
original.
right? Fed Speaker Collins. This
I
was
don't
not
normally
on
move
the
my stop loss,
schedule. If inflation is too
but
high, I'm concerned
on
about
an
price
A plus
stability
setup,
part
I will
of the
never
Fed's
move my stop or
mandates.
target.
That's Collins
Never.
coming in right now.
If it's A plus, it's
Labor
going to
market
stick
is
right.
consistent with full employment. The
But this is
economy
not A
growing
plus.
at a near trend pace. Collins. Again, if inflation is still too high, I'm concerned about the price stability part of the Fed's mandate.
All right, stop. Goes down. Next bar.
We got a headline here for the White House.
Now I'm break
Official
even.
to Al Jazeera.
Oh, it hit
No talks
target.
or discussions are currently underway or
target.
scheduled with Iran.
So the idea was that it would go down
That popped in
to
crude.
the
Crude
channel.
did Pop.
Green bar ignored. That was really why I
I'm
wanted to
breaking
get in
on
it.
gold because it looks like we did get a little bit of sellers in that got bought right back up. So realistically, I don't want to see
Green bar
sellers be able to take
ignored.
chart in this area.
Continuation after the buyers are failing. That's the whole concept of this trading strategy. I'm
Outside
honest.
targets are still looking better. So
get rid of
I'm okay
that.
taking. If I have to take 2 break evens this morning, I'm not gonna be too upset about it.
Get rid of that.
Great. We have 30 seconds of this 5-minute candle. I said I wanted to get in when shorts.
Better entry would have been to
are
wait
low
for the
at
green bar. I didn't wait for it.
3s.
That's why it wasn't the best.
Let's
Now it
end
would
up
be
here
considered
in
a
about
better
22
trade.
seconds.
And it hit first target on the better
I'll
trade.
look
I
for a
didn't wait for the
possible
better
pullback.
trade, which is a green bar
If
ignored. I
I
got in before
get
that.
into the short side. Downside target would probably be those 202s we talked about yesterday a lot, as well as the other pivot point 186.
Yeah.
Do have
That's the
stuff
better
like
setup. That's what I'm testing
down a
for
little
right
ways at
there. I didn't
105.
take the best trade. This is the better trade right here.
Also, the idea of those RTY longs, I'm looking at that chart. Did not work. That would have been. You know what? It's a good thing. It's a good thing I don't have the contract Sandrian.
Green bar ignored, continuation,
okay.
hit target. Stop goes to break even, so
More from
you hit one
Collins. Concerns
target,
about high
break even on the
prices
rest, and
are
let it go.
pervasive among contacts in the New England region.
Short one.
Short one, maybe short one.
If you add a second in this, you want a little bit more of a pullback.
Okay. More from Collins. I will be looking for evidence in the coming months that inflation is durably returning to 2%. Collins voicing concern for inflation. Also, White House official to Al Jazeera. No talks or discussions are currently underway or scheduled with Iran. Maybe what price you short from?
55 half. Let me see here. Might add a second.
Now, let's see what we're going to do here, because
5.
this is tempting to see
Taking out both
if
sides
I
of that
could
5
get in the
o'clock
trade.
range now. Holding underneath.
If it comes back up,
Interesting start to the session.
to the area.
Okay, Gabe's still long.
Order
No, I'm not. I
submitted.
got tagged out there at those 250s. Yeah. Flat right now, down 5.
That I missed.
Gold push here. Okay, flat. Okay. Mandy has a second. What's your average price, Mandy?
65 orders.
6.5, 2.
Or get in right here on the new green bar ignored.
I think we're not bouncing here. I like you can add a third and a fourth here.
Okay,
Order
heading into the
submitted.
shorts. Heading into the shorts. All right.
Looking for those
Ah, she's adding into the
202s
short.
we
She's,
talked about
she's doing
yesterday
good.
A lot. That was a nice.
So I got
level. Gonna see
two
scale out
different
into
areas
this,
I can get
though.
in this trade. Let's see what happens here.
I took one contract off gold. We are now butting up against another level at 678.30. Took one off, move stops up. So we have stopped and break even, locked in some profits. I'd like to see a push through the 78s. And if we don't get it, these will lock up the profits.
Stuff. Okay, very good. ES pushing lower here. New lows ES 76, 84, and Q not is eager to push lower right now. But Feds Collins hitting the rise in long-term interest rates should work against a reacceleration in demand. Gold pushing higher here. Collins. Jumping in here. Fed Speaker Collins coming in. Again, we have Jackson Hole Symposium starting this week. We'll skip speech from Warsh at the end of the week on Friday. Crude oil, 82% long tilt in crude oil.
Order
I like
filled.
that wick on the 1 minute. That was
What'd you
really
see,
good.
Mandy?
Order canceled.
Tag the EMAs and it's a quick rejection. So looking for another leg down here. Looking for 36 quarters is TP1. And then
Right.
final TP 207.
All right, let's see if this will work. Hopefully.
And QES right there at the lows. Tick to go 76.
Ain't nothing I can do. I'm just
85.
gonna-
Follow through here.
Not yet.
It's
Yeah.
a little bit of
Yeah.
of
Indecision
struggle.
here.
Yeah. The longs are lurking. Longs are probably lurking.
I am indeed lurking.
Will that get its push lower? Bottom of the hour in about 20 minutes, we will get initial balance high, initial balance low prices. Jotted down, recorded. Highest, lowest price trade first hour of the New York session. Yes, and Q.
I mean, you know, It's hard longing under like when we're this close to the New York Open and we've rejected off it a couple times. So we got 3 equal highs up at like the 390 region. It just looks like we want to go get them.
In NQ,
Yeah, I don't like that doji, but that's
Yeah.
okay.
buyers.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Will they succeed? Will they succeed? 274. 77's now print.
Gotta get back above 290s.
All right, gold still pushing here. We'll let Mandy manage those trades. Let's get a Dr. Volatility get in here. I did hint at Top Step Labs up to their old tricks. So what are they doing now? James, take it away.
Yes, good morning, everybody. I am James Harden, Dr. Volatility, here to tell you that I have big news for everybody watching because Top Step Labs just dropped more 250K Freedom Combines, and the TV crew gets first dibs. That's right. This isn't in anyone's inbox yet, and it's not on social media. This is an exclusive drop for you Top Step TV viewers. We're putting the link in chat now if you want to grab one. This is
static?
another limited release, so get in before they're gone. All right, now you can be the hero for your trading group. Go ahead and share this link with your trading buddies in Discord. Spread the word. And when they ask you how you got it, be sure to tell them that you got it by bell to bell. And just in case you haven't heard, in the Freedom Combine, you get $250,000 in buying power. That's right, that means you can trade up to 25 minis or 250 micros. It comes with a 25 highest payout cap ever in Top Step's history, and a 10K max loss limit. More flexibility to manage larger positions and bigger moves. A 5K daily loss limit, our biggest daily loss limit ever, gives you more room to trade each day. And most importantly, it's a one-time fee to start trading, not a monthly subscription. That means no rebills, no resets, no activation fee. All you have to do is pass the combine within 90 days. The link is in chat now. Don't wait. Like I said, these things sell out fast, and this is dropping to TV viewers first because we love you guys. Thanks for trading with us this morning. Now, back to you, Andre.
250K Freedom Combines. Their link is in the chat. Where's the link? It's in the chat. It's in the chat right there. You see it. Click on that. Very cool. Top Step Labs. Always cooking up something there. Trade size. Still gonna have...
And an exclusive just for watching Top Step TV. Shoot.
Oh, yeah. It's only Top Step TV.
I didn't know we needed a reason to watch, but that's a pretty good one.
Look at that. Link is in the chat. Shout out to all the bellers and the viewers and the new ones. More from Collins. Collins saying, I remain particularly concerned about inflation. Seeing a push higher here in gold. 46.81. Mandy still short?
Yeah, just below my entry now. Looking for this other leg. We've been in a little bit of a chop.
I like the rejection of those 280s, though, Mandy. Failed to really claim
I
back
know.
above the opening range low.
Sure is.
I moved my stops up in gold a little bit too. Lock in a
Nice,
little bit
Eric.
more profit.
Good job.
ES. They just keep tapping on lows in the ES. 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times they've tapped on what, 76, 84 half, and he's bouncing. Got the Dow finding some buyers.
All right, here we go. NQ.
Lows
Tempting again
ES.
for these bottoms.
Just
New session lows NASDAQ.
yeah.
Nice trade, Mandy.
Connection lost.
Thank you.
Nice hold.
We can-
Nice hold through that. Through that
Pull
last
back.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
Just Yeah.
Not easy, but I'm starting to recognize like the potential of like, we start getting these smaller candles, there might be a reversal happening or a little pullback, maybe better entry for shorts. But
Yeah.
really close to TP1 here, and then I'll move it into break even.
Yeah, it is coming up on the level I've marked out 233 even.
Oh, man.
Look at that. Literally
this is-
touched it. I didn't get filled. All good.
All right. Well, Collins, Feds Collins, not done yet. Collins, it is appropriate to raise interest rates soon, absent evidence of sustained disinflation.
All right, I'm gonna sell this pop here.
Oh,
I like it.
I'm gonna get long.
Okay, I love it. What are we talking about? I love this. All right.
I've got a stop buy order at 264.50. So if we pop above that candle that just took out the lows, I'm gonna get long. I'm long.
Okay, Eric's long. What price?
265.25. I'm going stops underneath the level I have marked out at 233. This could be a trap, but when you get that kind of 2-minute candle off of a level that I've marked out, I feel like it's irresponsible for you not to take it.
Long. Okay, Eric is long. Gabe looking too short. Mandy, you still short?
I'm still short. I was off by a tick on TP1 down here. You could see this 1-minute green candle. That wick just did not fill my limit buy there.
Again, in the chat, pinned to the chat, the link to the chat, exclusive to Top Step TV viewers, traders, like.
There we go. Finally at
New lows.
TP1.
All right, it looks like it wants to prove me wrong very quickly. Oh, it was close. It was close.
Get those 250K Freedom Combines exclusive to Top Step TV. Link is in the chat. It's just hanging out down here. Gabe, did you take the short?
I did, yeah. 252 quarter, 2 times. We're coming up on a first extension to the downside for that opening range at 231, kind of aligning with Eric's level of those 233s. Saw some buyers step in around 3:15 in the morning central, took us to a new high. Second extension would be the 182s. That's kind of what I'm looking for, but this
Got
is
tagged at the break evens.
okay. So right here, right now, Dre.
I'm watching this. Eric's long, Gabe's short.
I'm out. For profit.
Good trade, Mandy.
Yeah,
Thanks.
went through a lot there, Mandy. We went through a lot.
Went through a lot.
Thank you.
Just like,
Thank you. A lot
Should be
for a little.
yep,
just
that's
say that.
okay. Let's use that. Let's, 100%. A lot for little. It's very hesitant to go lower, but to the flip side, it's not exactly streaming higher.
In this environment, Dre, I'll take it. Like, I'll take the green even if it was choppy, right? Like, I was attempting for the breakout. We didn't get the follow through that I wanted. I'm okay being a little green versus, in this chop, in this unideal situation. But yeah, it wasn't easy, that's for sure. But stuck to the process.
I
Found a
think
little
you can-
green.
And also to that point, expect to take heat. Expect to take heat
Oh, yeah.
on these entries.
Yeah, nothing here.
Very difficult if you think
Isn't
you're
that
going to
the
nail
truth?
it. Yeah, and moving your stop to break even. do that, you know.
Looks like I'm gonna get tagged to add my gold short or longs in profits. Yep, tagged out in profit. So that was all out of gold now. Only looking at this NQ trade, which came up, showed me green for half a second, and then pushed back down.
All right. If we engulf this 260, I'm gonna end up bailing on this short. Trying to sell these lows, and we're not getting a whole lot of follow through right now.
Nope.
Can we do it?
I'm just gonna grind lower is the question. Maybe ES. ES might be a little bit of cleaner of a trade.
ES looks like it's perking up a little bit more, right? A little bit more buyers stepping in on ES.
Yeah, it's probably got
I mean,
short.
not a ton, right? But
I'm not sure. I think, yeah. What's gold doing? Gold catching a bit of a bid. Slow buyer stepping in here in gold, 46.79. Last trade. 50-50 on the tilt. 9 minutes to the bottom of the hours. Collins, haven't heard more from Collins just yet. Against Collins coming in concerned, raising concerns about inflation. To raise interest rates soon.
All right. I really want to see us get to these
taking back.
240s. Yeah.
That was taking back control.
No wonder I could not see it.
They're taking back control. Well, for now, it's not exactly smashing this market.
Yeah, a lot of top wicks on these candles, right?
What does it? Yeah, what does
I
that
like
tell
using
you?
The 2 minute.
You see those top
Buyers are
wicks.
trying. Buyers are trying, and then sellers are doing better.
Okay, that's all I needed.
Yes, right. At the
All
lows.
I needed.
See some buyers up in for some support here now, and Q keeps flirting, tapping on the lows as well.
These 240s are really a pain.
For who? The buyers or the sellers?
Sellers.
Did we just make some new lows? There we go. 234.
Trying.
232. 20,232.
All right, I'm out. I'm out of the longs.
Out of the longs. All right.
Oh my gosh. If I just stayed in this trade.
There's the
Got really
220s.
pretty.
Second, so first extension of those 230s has been met on the opening range. Next extension is 182, and that's where I'm going to be all out. And that's where I'll be looking for a possible reversal.
Nice trade game.
Yes,
See
new
if we get
lows.
down there.
Yes, new lows. 70. Man, oh man, 76, 82. And Q new lows. 29,217. Wow. New lows. Bottom of the hour. 6 minutes. 6 minutes to the bottom of the hour.
Yeah.
Push.
Already almost an hour into this. That's crazy.
Is it? Fast one?
Come on, Bubba, hit it.
Got into the chat. You see it there? 250K Freedom Trading Combines available again. Exclusive Top Step TV. Click on that link. Click on that link. Get them while they're here.
I did not have the
too.
patience. So mad.
And I think we're going to keep following. I should have been here sooner, Andy, in my opinion. It took so long.
I agree.
What is that?
I
What
had
does that keep
my
blind
final
lows?
TP at 207 half, and we are so close to it.
We're marching our
Just
way
took
down
one
there
off.
for it.
I'm not even convinced that this is.
The end of it? I don't think so.
Oh, I'm not exactly seeing
Settlement?
conviction in these shorts. I'm not exactly seeing like conviction to the downside here.
Right. Right. I'm with you, man. I wouldn't be shocked if we find a reversal somewhere in here. Gold's catching a nice little bit though.
Yeah, it is. So's the Dow. It's gonna be green. 5 minutes bottom of the hour. Have a store here. Where do we add the shorts?
Down to 1, and I'm break even on the second. Took one off down at those 214.
Okay. On the 1. All right.
Oh, it's gonna tempt me to get back in.
For what side? Long or shorts?
Long.
Yeah.
I mean, look at
like
this. We got
this.
an engulfing, a 2-minute engulfing candle at. I mean, he needs to close in 25 seconds.
Where's
It
the
does. I'm taking a stab at
Where are you
it.
going in? Where are you going, MQ? MQ. Well, MQ found some buyers. About 40 points off the lows that were just put in. 20,248. Not a whole lot of conviction. Downside
New
there.
York
I'm going
VWAP.
All right, I'm in 2 again at
long or short?
40 long, 2 long, 43.50. I'm going to stop below those lows.
43.5. Okay. I actually added to my short. I added to the shorts in the ES.
Bro, you were just saying you weren't sure about the shorts. What are you doing?
I know.
I
Change.
saw market generated information told me otherwise. Market generated. I could be wrong. I'm seeing the Dow sell off. Oh, got it. Or yeah, well, I'll start selling off.
I love it, Trey. You're a change-ready individual. It's a good.
I love it.
I've got issues.
I'm just giving you crap.
Longs might be good as they continue to buy it. In the Q, what do you long from, Eric? 243.
243.50.
How about 250s trade? How about that? Yeah. God. Gold finding some more buyers. 46.83 now trading. Almost $25 off the lows.
1 minute candle closed below 234s. All consider shorts. You have the tag of the New York Anchor VWAP. 3 minutes still selling. 5 minute and 15 look awesome.
Hey, in the chat, Zane, what would this be considered a failed outside auction for gold? Well, we're gonna bring in the Delta Don himself here in just a few. He'll let you know what a failed upside downside auction is. 50-50 on the tilt. Gabe, you still in the short?
I got tagged break even at those 250s.
Okay.
Gotta
About
wait,
100.
baby. Gotta wait. Let it wait.
A little less
Let
than
it
100 off
wait.
that one MNQ, so start chipping away
Okay,
here.
we're going back to this.
3K channel.
Yep. Now only down 430.
Oh, yeah. Eric Vision is going to start soon here. Also, there you go. Get those 250K Freedom Combine
Oh,
exclusive Top Step TV viewers right here, right now.
that's not gonna work.
And I thought it was weird when I saw James walk in my office with the chains again.
Oh, yeah.
But here
yeah.
he is, chaining me to the desk again today.
A day full of training for Eric.
You slept like a baby last night, Eric. 'cause
I
you-
actually did. Yeah.
Did you dream about taking trades? Did you dream about opening ranges?
dreamt about the charts.
Alright, I'm short.
Hey, you must be.
Mandy is short. That sounded like you had tons of conviction in that short, Mandy. All right, I'm short. What are you, Mandy? Where are you short from? Where are you short from?
Because I just took the shorts. That's why I was like, short, 29 quarters. I like those 202s, man. But we haven't tagged that area yet. I feel like we're still a little shy on it.
All right, initial balance, high, low prices incoming here in about 30 seconds. Get those jotted down. The Delta Don will be joining us. But Gabe, Mandy. Yes. And then
Yes.
Mandy.
One,
January 21st.
huge break
These
even.
longs ain't it.
Sorry.
These longs ain't it.
For 202s. Yeah.
Target filled.
Target filled. All right.
What do I say?
Keep going, buddy boy.
Say he's good. Just got paid.
So
Just got
risk-
paid.
Oh, we're out. We're out.
Okay,
Actually,
out.
That's
That's how you.
Nice short.
That's how you do
Beauty.
it. There we go.
Mandy, nice short indeed. Mandy, all right, let's end on that. Nice short indeed. Mandy, couple words, and let's get out of here. We got a line change coming up. Gabe and Eric, we'll see you in a little bit. So we got more words for you. But Mandy, nice way to
Target
end.
filled.
Got me again?
Fast market.
What happened? Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Don't
Hey,
let a
hey.
bad, whoa, we're dropping off. Don't let
Whoa, whoa,
a
whoa, whoa,
previously bad day mess you up. That
I'll
is,
take it.
I think
What was
more
that?
than just a stop
All right.
run.
Just huge selling just came in there. Huge selling came in there.
And you can't
Mandy's
help
good
it when that
stuff. Gabe,
happens.
Eric, we'll see you in a little
See you
bit,
guys.
but that was just a huge
Yes,
sell.
indeed.
Let's go to quick break, and then we'll go straight to Hogue
Yeah.
right after this. We'll find out what that was. Good stuff. We'll be right back after this.
Okay. I'll take that. I'm done for the day. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.